If YouTube TV shows a no internet connection error, it usually indicates network problems, app glitches, or device issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable network. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close it on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or mobile device, then reopen it. This refreshes the app's connection to YouTube servers. Step 3. Restart your device. Power it off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to clear memory and temporary glitches. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Android TV or Fire Stick. Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Clear Cache Roku. Use the hidden cached reset. Home 5 times, up 1 time, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times. Apple TV or iPhone. Delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy services. These can interfere with YouTube TV's ability to connect to the internet. Step 6. Update your YouTube TV app and device software to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause connection errors. Following these steps should restore YouTube TV connectivity and allow you to watch live channels and DVR recordings again. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.